Get you a veggie.
Put one of our fruits away. This one. And we want a veggie.
Okay. These aren't room temperature. Sweet potato. You like sweet potato. If you want white.
Good boy.
How did Daddy's baseball teams go?
They won one game, he said, and he was so tired. We watched Survivor, and he can barely keep his eyes open. He said they won, and it was a good game, he said.
Wonder if the fields were very muddy.
You didn't say. Is our milk ready, Mama? We want her much.
Isn't enough there?
Good stuff. Ooh.
No?
Yeah, I think
Wow.
so. How much did you pour in there?
Almost all of it.
That's good.
Here's sweet potatoes. Tell him cereal. He loves cereal. Here's sweet potatoes, Mom, and if you want some more, here's the...
Oh, we can't plump him up that much. We just had to be safe.
He'll eat it, though.
It's a good boy. It's a good boy. I was asking Baby if she shouldn't ask if he shouldn't be getting vitamins with fluoride.
They've been following what the doctor says, so I'm not sure.
He loves his mush.
He does. He's oatmeal. He's a mush boy.
He's a grandma's boy. What?
He wants to suck it sometimes. Like Bijou. I swore Dad was out.
Let's try some of this. This is not going to be warm, baby, so you may not like it.
Sweet potatoes.
Right up our alley.
So you don't want your applesauce?
Well, we've got this.
Okay.
We've got peaches and potatoes and mush.
Okay. I don't know what all these knives and spoons and things are.
Oh my heck. Some more cereal. He loves his cereal. Oh my gosh, what a good boy. Oh my God. There. That's a good boy. That's a wonderful little man. You good? You good? Good boy.
Oh, Roxy.
That's a good eater.
I have to get him the video too.
Country sweet. What?
Uh-oh.